Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. So inshallah ta'ala in this video we will practice writing and reading in the Arabic language, okay? So we're gonna write some Arabic letters and then we're gonna connect them, okay? And then we will try to read this word. Very good job. So let's get started. The first letter, it's the letter Ba. The letter Ba. The letter Ba, it has a dot here, and we put al-fatha on the top. We pronounce it ba, 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 ba. Very good job. The next letter, what do we call this letter in Arabic? Lam. Very good job. Lam. We put fatha. La, 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 la. Excellent. And this letter, it's the letter Ain. Very good job. We put fatha. Now let's try to connect those letters together. Okay? So the first letter, the letter Ba, right? So this is the letter Ba. In the beginning, we put fatha. Ba, 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 ba. And then the next letter, it's the letter Lam. The letter Lam. This is the letter Lam. And this is the middle form of the letter Lam, okay? This is the letter Lam in the center, okay? We put fatha, la, ba, la, ba, la, ba, la, ba, la. And then this is the final form of the letter Ain. When we put Ain at the end, this is how we write it, okay? Remember, okay? This is Ain, and this is the final form of the letter Ain. We put fatha, aw. بلع 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 بلع. Very good job. And this is mean he swallowed, okay? He swallowed. This is the meaning of this word, okay? بلع بلع بلع. Very good job. See you inshallah ta'ala in the next videos. مع السلامة.